By the way, what's your name?
My name is Juliet. What?
Juliet.
Yeah, what's yours?
My name is Arman, but you can call me Baby.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me the
Hello, chị bé lấy về u cái video đầu tiên trên thực tế cái chuyện là có lồng đẹp tu với video cho anh in stranger call thấu cái cảnh ti đôn mà sẽ tổ trùng cho cái prank đôn là wa cái flirt đôn này cho anh in thì mình hoàng gia din cái in gì đắng lắm ta vết liệt ta cho anh in omega ka download đôn ra cảnh thì thấy mẹ là wa cho hoàng cho anh in omega TV thì ha ka download xin nó mua cái là mang ngay mẹ là wa vai hơn ông chịu tổ lô tổ ra ngay là cho nên makeup về thì zir đủ tin ông về nhỉ cho nên cái bữa là hàng zir thế à zir tiêu thế à training cái cái thế à cho nên certificate có cái thế thấp anh thì ha cái mình sẽ đủ vào cái này ở đây cái lô khôi chân ngà lắm cái English là lâu về em mà cái video em tối cho anh sẽ thông qua cái phần nụ này là cái video về là thì khăn cái phần white point cái trong cái English man ka anh là lâu phê rồi cái này chung mà sẽ sắp trong cái bia cái ngày đón và hai mình dâu trong cái túi mà nó sẽ đón là wa cái trong thấu thầu ngay xia mình lâu núi nhà su. Hello, where are you from? I'm from India.
Same.
See? Oh,
Are you Nepali?
no, I am Mizo.
Mizo. Mizoram.
Yeah.
Where have you been? Oh,
How old are you?
19.
19. Okay, can you guess my age? You guess?
21, 22.
I'm 25. Okay, can I ask you a question?
Yes.
Okay, can I ask you a question?
Yes, of course.
Do you like necklace?
Huh?
You like necklace?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay, can I be your necklace so that I can stay close to your heart?
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now.
By the way, what's your name?
My name is Juliet. What?
Juliet.
Yeah, what's yours?
My name is Arman, but you can call me Baby.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now.
Where are you from? Oh, thank you. Where are you from?
India.
India. Okay.
Yes, your name?
My name is Juliet.
What?
My name is Juliet.
Oh, you're so pretty.
Oh, thank you so much.
Gucci, I push your cheek.
How old are you now?
I'm 20-year-old. And you?
You guess my age.
20.
20? I'm 25.
Oh, I push your cheek.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Can I ask you a question?
Yes.
Okay. Do you like anime?
Enemy?
Yeah.
No.
No? Okay then. Do you like anime without the letter A-N-I?
Me, yes.
Nah.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now.
Can you be my book without the letter K?
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning.
Hello,
Where are you from?
I'm from India.
Seriously, you don't look like Indian.
Really?
Yeah. कौन से Do you know Hindi?
No.
What you doing?
Are you busy right now?
No?
Okay. Can I
Yeah.
talk with you?
What?
Can I talk with you?
Yeah, sure.
I want to ask you some question.
Okay.
Okay. Do you like necklace?
Necklace?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Yeah? Oh, then can I be your necklace so I can stay close to your heart?
Say what you wanna say to me now.
Hello.
How are you?
I'm doing good. How about you?
I'm fine. Where are you from?
I'm from India.
Where in India?
From Mizoram.
Do you know Hindi?
Sorry?
Do you know Hindi?
No, not really. I know just a little bit.
Okay.
Okay.
What's your name?
My name is Juliet. How about you?
Yasir.
What?
Yasir?
Yatte? Oh,
Yeah.
that was really hard to say. Can I call you baby?
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me.
Hello.
Hi.
How are you doing?
I'm good. What's your name?
My name is Juliet. How about you?
Juliet.
Yeah? How about your name?
My name is Mayur.
Mayur. Oh, that was really hard to say. Can I call you babe?
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now.
I want to ask you something,
Yeah.
if you don't mind.
No.
Do you like necklace?
Necklace.
Yeah,
Yeah.
you like it? Okay, then can I be your necklace so that I can stay close to your heart?
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you.
How old are you?
You guys? What time?
I think you are 23.
No.
No? Then 25.
27.
Oh, you.
Can I say something?
Yes, sure.
Your eyes are beautiful.
Oh, thank you.
Really.
Thank you so much.
Okay.
Hello.
Hello.
How are you doing?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm doing good. What's your name?
My name is Ryan.
Ryan. Wow, that's a really nice name. But I think if you don't mind, can I call you baby?
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you.
Can I ask you a question again?
Yeah.
Can you be my book? without the letter K. Without the letter K.
Oh,
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna.
Hello.
hello.
How are you? How are you doing?
Yeah?
You don't speak English?
Nothing. Yes.
You do speak English?
Yes.
Okay. What's your name?
My name Abhinav.
Abeno. That was really hard to say. Can I call you? Can I call you baby?
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up.
Ole với video tan chuan cái tí zong khan ni phot se ha. Cái video hi modom tí zong ni chuan like comment and share kha thei ni lo la mi thai ni chuan khong ai takin ka channel hi ila subscribe lo ni chuan mi lo subscribe sak turin ka ron din hal book se ni e. Chuanin khong ai takin like kha poi mol tu ka mi lo like sak nge nge do nya o. Video le ka mi hule chho do nya. Bye.